I'm honestly so excited. Oh my gosh, I really cannot wait to see my mom. I just want to see her. I want to hug her. I want to squeeze her. Hello guys, how are you doing? And you're welcome to another vlog. I really don't know how you guys are taking the vlog. Is this something you like, or is this something you really do not like? Let me know in the comments if you actually love it or not. Anyways, thank you so much for your support regardless. How are you doing, by the way? Today is a Wednesday and we're actually expecting my brother-in-law. So I've actually not seen him in almost 4 years. I think, yeah, almost 4 years. I've not seen him in almost 4 years. And yeah, he's been in the UK for almost a year. I think like 2 months shy of 1 year now. So he's been in the UK for maybe about 10 months now, and we've not seen each other. Like, he's not seen any of, oh, he's seen my husband, sorry. So yeah, I've seen my husband because my husband has visited him in London a couple of times, I think. Yeah, but I mean, he's not visited us yet. And obviously that's because of the distance. We are now in Manchester and he's of course in London. He's based in London, so he's on his way now. I think he has arrived already because my husband and Brian, they just stepped out now so they can go pick him up from the bus station. So yeah, I'm actually expecting him. Obviously, if I go by pictures, he's added so much weight. You know, had like full beard and all of that. So I know he looks different already, but I really can't wait to see him in person. Another thing I want to do quickly before they come back is to unbox this parcel I got from Ana Luisa. So they sent it via DHL. Anyways, let me just unbox it now and show you people. So let's sit down and catch up. So like, this brand is a very popular brand, Ana Luisa, right? It's a very popular brand. And even when I was back in Nigeria, a lot of influencers or maybe YouTubers, whatever, influencers, like, they used to promote this brand a lot, or they used to wear this brand a lot. Like, so it's not like a new brand, it's like an old you know, jewelry brand or jewelry company. Anyway, so I was just checking online, then I remember this brand that, oh wait, there's this brand called Ana Luisa, right? And I know a lot of people patronize them. I went online, so I'm actually unboxing as I'm talking. So this is the pack it came with, and it came with this, if you guys can see. Yeah, so, and then I chose one. Let's see. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. I love it. Look at it, guys. It looks so beautiful. Guys, look at it. Oh my god, it looks so flawless already. Like, it looks flawless. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. And it's even longer than what I thought. Like, I really thought it was going to be like a very short necklace. Oh, it is so beautiful. Oh my god, guys, let me show you. Oh my god, I like it. Oh, look at that. What do you guys think? Let me know. I really love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love it. Anyway, so that's that about my Ana Luisa jewelry. I think the name of this necklace is Pebble. Yeah, so if you want to buy something like this, it's Pebble, and I got it for I think £63. And yeah, £63. Shipping is free. Yeah, so shipping is free, and I got it for £63. If you want it, you can actually go to their website and get one. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. It's like, it's not sponsored, but I think I like it. Like, it is really shining. I'm not sure you guys can really even see how it looks. Like, it really looks good. Can you see? Yeah, really looks good. So let me show you what I made for my brother-in-law. I made some jollof rice for him, and I also made some cake. So I made some jollof rice. Ooh, look at that, guys, look at that. So yeah, that's what I made. Anyways, I made some cake as well. It's here, and I really do hope he's going to enjoy his time here. I think he'll be spending just a night. I think so, yeah. But when it comes, I'll show you my brother-in-law. If you are single and you're ready to mingle, let me know in the comments. Drop your profile. I'm the one doing the scrutiny, right? I'm doing the scrutiny. I'm the one conducting the interview for the potential wife. Okay, so if you're single, a single lady, are you ready to mingle and you're responsible, you know, chat me up. No, I'm being naughty, right? I'm being naughty. Anyways, that's it for now. Hopefully when he comes, I can show you his face if he wants to be shown. If he wants me to show his face, I will. If not, you guys will not see his face, but I think I'll put his face somewhere. But that's that. I want to quickly get to Tesco. I want to get some things. I really don't know why we shop a lot in this house. Like almost every day we go to the supermarket and we come back home. Well, we come back home with things we intend to buy, but there's always something that we forget to buy every time. I don't know why. Because I went to Tesco yesterday, and my husband even later went to Tesco to buy some things that I omitted. This morning we realized that both of us forgot to buy eggs and milk as well. We drink oat milk and kitchen towel, the paper towels. So 3 things I need to get from Tesco before they come back. Anyways, I'll just walk down there just so I can shake my body and of course burn some calories. So that's that. I'll talk to you guys soon. I know I promised you guys I was going to show my brother-in-law. I know I did a quick vlog before his arrival, and I actually promised you guys I was going to show his face, but for whatever reason we just could not get to the point that I would have, you know, been able to probably pull up my camera and, you know, take some shots or even film a video together, because we also had that intention of, you know, doing a video together. Like I actually planned to interview him and all of that. I mean, it was a very, very short visit, to be honest, so there was no time for all of that. And I know I actually told you guys, I mentioned it, that if you are single and ready to mingle, you should let me know in the comment section. I remember I said that, but I'm sorry. Probably the next time he comes, he would appear in my vlog, and we might even get to do a sit-down video together. He'll be back in September for Brian's birthday, so don't worry. All the single ladies, don't worry, okay? Yeah, so he's gone back today. We actually dropped him off at the station some minutes ago. He's good anyways. So we're going to Manchester Airport, and I just thought to pick up my camera and probably film and show you guys how it looks like. I've never been there, like we've never been there, and we've been like itching. You've been there? Oh, okay. My husband just said he's been there.
A couple of times.
Okay, so he's been there a couple of times. I didn't even know. You've been going there behind my back. So I've never been there, so let me personalize it. I've never been there. He's been there a couple of. I actually thought we have never been. I mean, I thought that we're on the same page, but apparently someone has been going to Manchester Airport.
If work takes me.
Yeah, I know work, right? Work has taken there a couple of times. Anyway, so we're going there. But another reason why we're going there is because Mom will be arriving on Saturday. Of course, by the time you'll be watching this, she would have arrived already, I know. But she'll be arriving on Sunday rather. She'll be taking off on Saturday, and she'll be arriving on Sunday. So yeah, we also want to just go there, know where we would park when we get there on Sunday. I mean, just to like,
I know where. Singularize some statements.
I should personalize everything. Okay. Anyways, okay, so I am going I'm going to the airport. Now I feel somehow saying I am going, knowing that we are all going together. Anyway, so guys, I'm personalizing it.
Yeah,
I'm going to the airport to see for myself, because I've never been to Manchester Airport, and we've lived in Manchester for 1 year now. We moved there in August. No, sorry, we moved there in May. Yeah, May last. It's been over a year and I've never been to Manchester Airport, so I really want to see how it looks and all of that. Now I'm excluding my husband because they apparently know how it looks and all of that. Anyways, if I'm able to show you some shots, I will do that. And yeah, any other updates? Brian's birthday preparation is going it's going on well. It's going well. I mean, we're doing okay as regards that and all of that. Yeah, and definitely Mommy will be around for his birthday. My brother-in-law will be coming from London as well for his birthday. His godmother will be coming from Derby. Yeah, his godmother lives in Derby. So yeah, I know a couple of people that will be coming from outside Manchester, but I mean the bulk of the guests will be from Manchester. We've been able to build a community of friends, especially in the church we attend, which I'm actually grateful to God for, because we're like private people. We're not like very like, we're not like extroverts per se. My husband he can tend to be an extrovert, but he's still like a very private person. So the fact that we've only lived there for 1 year and we've been able to like build a community of like-minded people, like friends that we can actually like mingle with, if you get what I mean. So I'm actually grateful to God, because left to me alone, like if you want to go by my personality, I'm sure we won't have anybody to invite for Brian's birthday, like, because I like keeping to myself. But I'm just grateful that I've been able to make friends. A lot of them are older, and of course some are even like people I've known from way back in Nigeria and all of that. So I'm just grateful to God, but I'm really like excited about the preparation and all of that. Okay, I know I'm talking too much now, but when we get to the airport, I would show you guys some clips. So I tried ordering some things, but the order I made was so much. Like I ordered quite a number of things, and they divided my delivery into 4. So 4 deliveries in total. They've actually made 3 deliveries already. Yeah, so I've actually received 3 items already, or 3, not like items, but 3 parcels, so to say. So this is the 4th one now, and I couldn't like film the other ones when they came in. They came in at different times, different weeks, like several days apart anyway. So this is the last one, and of course I'll be unboxing this one. So to be honest, like everything I ordered, not everything, like, but most of the things I ordered are like party decoration stuff, party favors and all of that. I bought a few things for myself, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 or maybe 4. And maybe I'll just insert clips of the stuffs I've received already. But the things that are actually for myself are, I can still remember that I ordered a perfume refill bottle, you know, this 5ml or 10ml bottle, refill bottle. I ordered one. I ordered a fanny pack, nurse's fanny pack, which I'll probably insert a picture. Because of my resumption, I'll be resuming in a few days time. So yeah, those things are for myself, and I think I've got some things for myself in this parcel as well, but majority of the things they are pretty much for party decor. So let's just, you know, open and see what we've got in here. guys are doing okay. I know I look kind of different, and I probably even sound so excited. My mom is arriving in a couple of minutes. I think she would be landing up. A plane will be landing in the next 30 minutes. Yeah. Anyways, we're all dressed, and we'll be going to the airport now to pick her up. I'm just so excited. Like, this is really the Lord's doing, and it is indeed marvelous in my sight. This is something that I've longed for, and it's happening right now. I mean, it has even happened already, because she's probably even landed already. I would actually check again, because we've been tracking our flights, and the plane is supposed to land 30 minutes from now. Anyways, the airport to the house is just about 15 minutes drive, so we should be there in a very good time. I'm honestly so excited. Oh my gosh, I really cannot wait to see my mom. I've not seen her since forever. Not like forever, but I think the last time I saw her was December 2019. Anyways, I just want to see her. I want to hug her. I want to squeeze her. And yeah, I'll take you guys along. We're already dressed anyways, and I know I'm looking so radiant. I need to take some pictures. Talk to you guys when we get to the airport.